Do you always drink coffee? Or do you drink coffee 7 times a week? Both sound natural, but they don't mean exactly the same thing. In today's lesson, I'll show you how to use adverbs of frequency and expressions of frequency, how they work together, and even how always can mean once a year. Hi guys, today we're talking about how often we do things. In English, that's all about frequency. We'll look at adverbs and expressions of frequency, what they mean, how to use them correctly, and how to combine them naturally in your own sentences. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency show us how often something happens in general, without being exact. Here are the most common ones, from most often to least often. Always, 100%. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Usually, 80 to 90%. She usually takes the bus to work. Often, 70%. They often eat dinner together. Sometimes, 50%. I sometimes play tennis at the weekends. Occasionally, 30%. He occasionally watches old movies. Rarely or seldom, about 10%. We rarely go out on weeknights. Never, 0%. I never smoke. Where to put the adverb? There's an easy rule for word order. With normal verbs, the adverb goes before the verb. I always drink coffee. She usually eats breakfast early. With the verb to be, the adverb goes after the verb. I am always tired on Mondays. They are usually happy. If you mix that up, it will sound strange to native speakers, so this is a good one to remember. Expressions of frequency. Expressions of frequency are longer phrases that show exactly how often something happens. They usually come at the end of a sentence. Here are some useful examples. Once a day. I check my email once a day. Twice a week. She goes jogging twice a week. 3 times a month. They visit their grandparents 3 times a month. Every day, every week, every month, every year. I go to the gym every day. On weekends. We relax on weekends. From time to time. I travel abroad from time to time. Using both together. You can use adverbs of frequency and expressions of frequency together to make your meaning stronger or clearer. I always drink coffee. I drink coffee 7 times a week. She usually goes running 3 times a week. We often visit our friends on weekends. He sometimes works at night. So here, the adverb gives a general idea. The expression gives specific details. Together, they sound more natural and more precise and give more information. When always doesn't mean every day. Now here's something interesting. Always doesn't have to mean every single day. It can mean every time something happens. I always go to the beach on my birthday. That's only once a year, but it happens every year, so it's always. Birthday, always at the beach. Soon. We always eat turkey at Christmas. She always visits her family during Songkran. So always can mean every time that event happens, not just every day. Practice time. Let's practice together. Try to write your answers or say them out loud. So I'll give you a basic sentence and we have to add in an adverb of frequency and an expression of frequency. I go swimming. I usually go swimming 3 times a week. She eats pizza. She sometimes eats pizza on Fridays. They travel. They rarely travel abroad. we have a party. We always have a party on New Year's Eve. So, did that make sense? Do you now have a better understanding? I hope so. But now it's your turn. Write me 1 or 2 sentences below using an adverb of frequency and an expression of frequency. I'll read them, give you my feedback. Quick recap. Adverbs of frequency, general idea, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Expressions of frequency, specific detail, twice a week, every day, once a year. You can use both together for natural English. And remember, always can mean every time, not just every day. So, short video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, especially watching this far into the end of the video. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned how to use these adverbs of frequency and expressions of frequency. If you did, hit the like button. Consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any other videos. Remember, we're always learning. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. If you'd like to see another video, click this box here and watch the next video. And until next time, thank you very much. See you later.